Hi, it's Cassie, a digital strategist here at Neighbourhood. Today I'm going to run you through how to import your LinkedIn contacts into HubSpot. The great thing about this is it's going to give you way more insights within HubSpot from both a marketing and sales lens, and allow you to actually continue to upload new leads no matter where they're coming from. In this case today, it's going to be LinkedIn. Let's hop into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my LinkedIn, hit me at the top bar, settings and privacy. Then head over to data privacy and then choose get a copy of your data. Now from here, I can select whichever particular data I want, or I can choose all of them and hit a request. I've already currently got a request pending, so based on that, I've got to wait for that to come through. But you'll get an email with a CSV file for you to import into HubSpot. Once you've got it, head back into HubSpot, over to Contacts, and then up in the top right corner, hit Import. Choose Import from Files, start your import, and choose what kind of data is in your file. So in this case, we want to be importing contacts, so I'm choosing Contacts. Hit Next, and choose your file that you want to upload. I'm going to choose this CSV file. Once it's uploaded, just choose how you want to import your contacts, whether you want to be creating new contacts and updating existing contacts in HubSpot, or one and the other. Your choice. The next stage here is just mapping out your data. So it's going to pull a lot of columns of data from your CSV file, and you're just going to need to map that to what property is going to be updated within HubSpot. So you'll need to go through each of those columns and update it as needed, and then hit Next and follow the rest of the prompts to start that import. It will let you know if there's any errors, and it won't import any error data, but it does give you another chance to go clean up that data before importing it. That's it for now. If you do have any questions, chuck them in the comments. We also have a downloadable PDF in the description below, so you can do this in your own time and test out importing contacts from LinkedIn. Other than that, happy HubSpotting.